Fig walnut cake recipe from Best Recipes channel. Figs are taken into a bowl, hot water is added to it and left to soften. Take eggs and sugar in a deep bowl, beat well. Add oil and milk to it. Add flour, baking powder, vanillin and cinnamon and mix. The softened figs are cut into small pieces. Add flour and mix. Add crushed walnuts and figs to the cake mix and mix. Pour into greased cake mold. Bake in a preheated 150-degree oven for about 45 minutes. After the baked cake has cooled, it is removed from the cake mold. You can serve it by sprinkling powdered sugar on top. Enjoy it! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.